So I think the independence means a lot to us as Zimbabweans, considering there are people who lost their lives fighting for our freedom. White oppression was true. Tasingatotenderi kufamba muna first. It was a taboo. I remember, okay, all this joy that we have yekuti vanhu vanofara vachiti tikuenda kuvote kwamukoma spencer kunorwa hwawa hwawa hwemabhodhoro hwairambidzwa. Those are some of the things that we hear. Vanhu vatema vaisatenderwa kutenga kuna first vaitenenda kuna nakaguvi zvichidzika downtown. So those are some of the things zvisingori bore. And I also think whites thought we were not humans, right? When I get mhuka or something. I was born 4 years after independence. So it's not about mabara, taima nonga or time tamba mahumbwe, tane ma 2 years, 3 years ago, tainonga mabara chicho. Ayo shipa barero. You see, zvinhu zvekuti zvakaitika mazuva achangofamba ngone 4 years. So some of these things, taizvino magrenade, I don't remember kumusha kwedu kudande uku kwainzi kuchitonga kwakuchombori nemaland mine. Kwaitonzi musaende uko munorohwa nemaland mine. Mombe dzairohwa nemaland mine. So it's one of those things chando remember. The political side of my life, okay, I grew up in Epworth, like I always say. So Epworth kwakuri, so it was one of those strongholds. Msangano is an OPF. And I'm Daredongo, I'm a PC, Fambo Dejara Msangano. Tahiti independence, what I remember about independence back then, I think that was 1989, 90, 91, thereabout. Collect kwa mari. I remember one anamdara mkomondo, anamdara what's his mdara tinoza, anamaichukwana. A lot of guys from my hood who used to support the cause. Right? Unganza mari kwetu kwa msangano pa branch kana pa sale independence kotengwa nyama tuita party tojka. Growing up, I know mdara Hazirawi used to call me Two Boy. Which was nickname Angaria. I remember Edgar Tekere. There was the one called Two Boy. Saka growing up, I the Two Boy. And then later on, Dakazunda Form 1, Form 2, Nandakunzi Wunji. There's a lot about it being called Wunji. That's all I remember. But my favorite, greatest, I believe my greatest politician of all time. Not Robert Mugabe though. My greatest politician of what time is in Zimbabwe is Nkomo umdala wetu. Kune story atogara tichinzwa. I don't know how far true it is. Yekuti he tried to sneak out of the country. Aina ndinyasoziva payakanyorwa. I've not seen it. I've not seen where it's written. But kune zvakawanda zvinotaurwa pamusoro pamudara Nkomo. He is one of the greatest people we have ever had. I remember kune rimwe picture akaunganirwa netuvana. It's one of those. I believe he was a good politician. He had good ideas. He had good brains for the country. So he's one guy I respect. Dzimbo dzechimurenga dzando remember. Dzimbo dzekuhondo dzando okay andofarira. My favorite song is Sunga Jombo Tiende, Sunga Jombo Tiende Mkoma, Kango Makedu, Kango Makech Gorira. It's one of those songs. Okay, if you are a Zimbabwean, there's always that connection between you and the liberation struggle. So you'll find yourself. Connect. That's why you see everyone says happy independence, happy this. It's not good after Saka we don't have a connection. There is a spiritual connection to the liberation. Zimbabwe. It's the same thing with your flag, it's the same thing with your national anthem. National anthem, Nyangori England, Unoto a trigger in your mind. That's you. So we have a connection as a nation. On hero status, I think now our heroes eka was much congested with politicians. It's one thing that worries me a lot. And every person angori one ane something chaka player in the entertainment industry, mu sports arena, mu everywhere should be buried. Heroes Eka. It should have not been a Heroes Eka my politicians alone. The same thing Jacket Coconut too, which it's a great thing. But a musician is buried at Heroes Eka. Okay, all I can say to the guys that fought for our freedom, I say thank you. You guys were amazing. I know it was not easy. When Msango, Hondo, Kuridza Pfuti, it was not easy. It was work. And Vamwaisia Mishaya at 12, 13, 14, Vaskana, Vakomana, we salute you, we respect you.